my god, dude, another one. Let's go. Thanks for letting me know, bro. That is crazy.
Offshore base until 8:30 p.m.
God damn.
At 7:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located.
It's another one.
Extending from near South Oyster Bay to near Shark
Oyster
River
Bay.
Reef, moving east at 35 knots.
God damn, bro.
Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
Very crazy
Source:
right now.
radar indicated.
Absolutely insane.
Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
God damn, bro.
Storms will be near Fire Island Inlet around 7:30 p.m.
Oh my god.
Lake South Bay around 7:40
Thanks for letting me
p.m.
know, dude.
Buoy 44025 around 7:45 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
Morges Inlet around 8:10 p.m.
God damn.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms
Let's
pass.
go.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small hail,
Sheesh.
waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms.
Yeah, baby.
Open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep
go.
away from ungrounded metal objects.
Damn, bro.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York.